In this video, I'll show you how to combine two columns in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where the columns are located. Combining columns usually means using information from two separate columns together, either through formulas, mirror data, or connected workflows. Once the board loads, identify the two columns you want to combine. For example, you may want to combine task name and owner into one full name field. To do this, go to the far right side of your board and click the plus button to add a new column. From the column options, search for and select the formula column. The formula column will now appear on your board. Click inside the formula setup area. Now, create a formula that references the two columns you want to combine. For example, if you're combining the task name and owner into one column, your formula may join the values together with a space between them. If you don't know what formula to use, you can always ask the AI assistant at the side to make the formula for you. Click the chat area and type what kind of formula you want. I will type combine task column to owner column. Click enter or send. Copy the formula and paste it to the formula text area, or you can click insert at the side in the AI assistant chat. Once the formula is correct, click Set Formula. The new column will now display combined information from the original columns. You can expand the column to see the output by clicking the side of the column and dragging it to left or right. And that's how to combine two columns in Monday.com.